Okay, this package just came. It's, well, it was something else, but it's called the hollow crystal protector for switch. Let me just go open it from the back side, or from the back. Oh, things are already happening. Let's toss that to the side. So you got your, your case for the Joy-Cons, your thumb grip for keeping it clean, and they come with a 2 screen protectors. For now, I already have one, so I don't think that'll matter. So I'll keep these aside for now, just in case I need it. So they will be here. I'll put them to the side for now because I need a space. But there it is, a little kind of there. Alright. Okay, that's how you do it. Remove that plastic piece, and I'm guessing it goes in like this, and there you go. So, oh, it looks actually pretty nice, better in this kind of thing. Okay, so now we have our Joy-Cons to put up. So let's well, at least put the back in first. Okay, all right, the back is in. Okay, this is, oh, by the way, don't mind the finger. Maybe I just do this, because this is not giving me an easier way to open this for some reason. Okay, that's one way to do it. I mean, probably not the best way, but this will have to do. And now what we have to do is kind of put it together. There you go. You have to make sure this clicks. And that's okay. So let's connect that one. It goes on like that. Put you here and get. Now we're gonna try to do this. There. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, well, don't do what I just did. That's the incorrect way. Let's connect it. Make sure it's in. It has to match, I guess. Okay, just gotta make sure it's snugged on so it can align and click. Okay, there you go. So that is the crystal. Move those things right here, and that's how it looks. And these are your Joy-Con thumb grips, but I think I want to do it like the switch already comes. So this will go here, and this will go here. Kind of squeeze it on. Let's remove it so I could align it. All right, it's on. I didn't. Oh, that scared me for a second. On my other switch, I didn't put these on right away, so the thumb grip kind of deteriorated just a little, worn out a little bit. Oops, that's not how you do it. Okay, that's how we do it. So yeah, that's the hollow crystal case for your Switch 2. I got this off for like 15 off Amazon. So if you like this, why don't you can get one for yourself. Not sponsored, by the way. You can get one, or you can get any one. I just got this because the hard shell is, I like it better. But if you like this, why don't you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.